Hi, Anna Munoz, week 4. I really feel it's important and helpful that every day I sit with my boss, the principal, and he helps me reflect and find relevance in the job as a teacher and administrator designee. It's a big challenge. I've really learned some new skills. For example, there's no drug policy. We can't have any of that on our campus or most campuses. And since our school is small, it's a charter, there's no security officers. They had to do a didn't have it. So it is that to counseling, like how we emphasize find it, we have to we really care about our speakers. Administrator. I also get mentored by 3 lady administrators. They help me really understand. I've been reading all the successful administrator from Brandon. That's and I'm being coached for events and situations. Plus, in the afternoon, administration degree. Now, my mentors have helped me in many ways. Thankfully, that's really reduce addiction. Other instructors spend a lot of time with me. God bless them for teaching me to use technology. I feel like I run my 2 years of biology well. Facility. So I'm really excited about that. It's great for Salinas, the salad bowl of the world, right? Yeah, I struggled to understand the technology for Brandon. I know the technology for my school, like how to use Word and Google Docs, Forms, Excel. I've done some grants, some testing, all that I feel really comfortable at. I've done it before. The screencast and video Germans for Brandon University is very interesting. I do like to learn new things. I'm excited for this administrative degree. I really want to make a positive difference